Hey guys, thanks for stopping by here. If it's your first time you've seen my video here, my name is Nicholas Rahim, right? And I have something special to show all here, so please stay to the very end. Now, look what showed up in the mail today here. A letter from Livegood. And I'm going to open it and show all you what came. This is very, very exciting. Livegood have their own prepaid Mastercard. So for everybody who thinking that this wasn't legitimate, think again. We can send money to a local bank account and we could also receive money via this debit card here. We can load the commission straight and we can send the money here. Probably seen the video because, or you was looking up something because of the fact that you're looking to generate an additional 500 US to additional 1000 US in the online space in the comfort of your home. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link to the bottom of this video here, the first link in the description, to take your free Livegood tour. Basically, Livegood is a legitimate network marketing company where we have products, yes, but we are not required to buy and sell the products like those other network marketing companies like Amway, Herbalife, My Daily Choice. We broke away from the old way of network marketing, and since the COVID hit, people changed their buying habits. So you're not required to buy or sell anything here. It's Livegood is the membership that pays. So you refer persons to the company, you benefit, right? They compensate you. So let's say you decide to become an affiliate of Livegood here. You pay 50 US one time, and after you pay a 10 USD monthly subscription. And this is how you're going to benefit. You benefit from the low membership price of the items, of the products, health and wellness products. And you also benefit from the compensation plan. Let's say you refer persons to the business and these people bring more persons and you build a team on Livegood. You could be very profitable on Livegood. It doesn't take a lot to get started, but if you work the business, you can make a lot of money from this. So I'm just gonna draw a little example here so you guys can understand more about Livegood. Let's say I own a pharmacy and you guys come to me to shop, and let's say you spend 500 US. And when you're about to leave, I say, here's what. I'm just gonna say Mr. X. Mr. X, just for shopping at my business here, I'm gonna give you back 100 US back, right? Money back. Just for bringing, just for spending the money here. How much people you gonna bring in my business establishment? A whole lot of people, right? Now, I just saying that to say this. On a day-to-day basis, we just recommend persons to other businesses. We say, hey, go and get the next mechanic. Hey, go and get a Green Dot account. Hey, go and create a Netflix account. We build in the membership of other businesses on a day-to-day basis. So it's something that we're already doing. So it makes sense to get involved in a company that have world-class health supplements. You're also being able to benefit from the compensation plan. So if you're seeing this video, I want you to like the video. Also consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click the links in the description. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Take care and have a blessed day.